In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a takeoff in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to measure lengths, areas, perimeters, or counts from a PDF plan so you can build accurate quantity estimates with confidence. First, open your PDF drawing in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure you're on the correct sheet and that any scale information on the plan is visible, like a scale bar or a noted scale. If your PDF is a clear original file rather than a scan, you'll typically get more precise results, but either way, you can still measure effectively. Next, head to the Measurements tab. This is your hub for measurement tools and the place where your results will appear. You'll see options for different measurement types and a readout of your current settings, which helps you verify you're working the way you intend. Now, select the tool that matches what you want to quantify. Use length when you need a straight measurement, like a wall run or a pipe segment. Choose perimeter when you want the total boundary distance around a space. Pick area for floor finishes, roofs, or slab quantities where you need square units, and use count to tally items like fixtures or outlets where you're clicking each instance on the drawing. Selecting the right tool ensures you get the correct units and outputs without extra conversions. Before you start clicking, calibrate the scale if the drawing isn't already scaled. Calibration aligns the PDF to real-world measurements. Choose a known dimension on the plan, such as a labeled wall length or the graphic scale bar, and use it to calibrate so that 1 inch or 1 meter on the drawing equals the correct real-world distance. For best accuracy, use the longest clearly labeled dimension you can find and double-check your units. With your tool selected and the scale calibrated, click on the drawing to measure or trace. For a length, click a start point and an end point. For perimeter and area, click along each corner or change in direction, placing points around the shape, then complete the loop to see the total. Take your time and zoom in to place points precisely along edges or corners. For count, simply click each symbol you want to include. As you click, Bluebeam will display your totals and units, and your markups will remain on the PDF so you can review them later. That's all there is to it. Open, go to Measurements, pick your tool, calibrate, and click to measure. With a bit of practice, your takeoffs will be fast, consistent, and reliable.